Okay, hi, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing fine. So, today I will be removing this stock exhaust. This is the stock exhaust, and this is the Leo Vinci decat pipe. So, I will be replacing this both with the Termignoni, the Italian sound. Yes, this is the kit. This is the titanium. Okay, let me show it. So this is the titanium Termignoni end can, which comes with the pipes. These are only the short pipes because we will have the header pipes which is stock, which can be used, so they don't provide with the header pipes. So we'll be replacing this too. So it's now the Termignoni full system for the bike. Let me show how the stock sounds. Okay, that was the stock exhaust sound. So we need to remove this dash plate. Okay, now the bash plate is removed. This is the header pipe. It's little hot actually, so we need to loosen these 3 screws. Can you see this 1, 2, and this side 1, 3? So never ever remove these header screws when the engine is hot. Need to wait for at least an hour after the engine is shut, then only try to remove this. I have already done and broken this screws due to that, so I have learned a lesson. So this is the header pipe which will be remaining stock, so these 2 pipes will be changing. So meanwhile, let me remove this end can. So to remove this end can, you need to remove this bolts and this one. Only 2 bolts needed to remove the end can. That's very easy, even in the stock bike the same way. So let me show you how it's done. So this bolt is removed and this one is loosened up. Just twist and slide it out so that it will come. Yes, this is the stock end can, which I will be keeping it here. So careful with these bolts, you might need to replace them back. So make sure you keep all these screws separately in a side so that you won't miss it, because I tend to lose every time I do something. Okay, now that part is over and it's crazy rains over here. Next is to remove the decat or your cat. You need to first unscrew this, and second is this one. You need to remove this screw and this spring which holds the header pipe. So these 3 if you remove, you can remove your decat or your mid pipe, whatever is there. It's same for all Multistrada, 1200, 950 and the 1260. So mine is 950. Okay, to remove this screw, this part, just pull out a plier and that's all, removed. So So the second one is removed. You can have a look here. This, you just need to loosen it up, no need to completely remove here. Okay, hope you can see this. It will slide down, that's a clamp. It will easily slide down. You can see it's already sliding. Just loosen it a bit. That's all. Now removing the header screws, we need a 10 bit. That came off easily. So 3 more. Be very careful because it's very delicate. You might tend to break it. I've seen a lot of them broken this part. Just slightly loosen it up. Not required to completely remove. You can see I've already removed this one. Okay, first you need to pull down this one. You can see that. Yeah, you pull down this pipe from the exhaust. Yes, see the old one is out. Old exhaust, and now these both will go. You can see there's a lot of change, and this is little bit lightweight, and this is lightweight only. I will measure it later. So this is heavy and this is slightly lightweight. I think it's almost same weight. Okay, let's put this back. You can also use some WD-40 for temporarily to slide in. I'll show you. This is the thing, sometimes it will not directly go. See, these are metal, so you can use some metal paste or WD-40 or this side and also that side, so that it will easily slide in. Okay, I'm using WD-40 just a bit so that it can easily slide in. So okay, this is the thing which I forgot, so I had to remove. This is the clamp which will hold from the second outlet, so always put this back. Okay, before I put it, I think you can see a bit of rust. Let me use my WD-40. Okay, so WD-40 done. Slide it up. Make sure it's on the left side so that you can easily access and tighten this bolt. Easily slide it in. Next we need to align this part carefully. You can see this. So you saw that? How easy was it? Perfectly fitted this one. And if you have fitted perfectly, see, look at this, exactly where it needs to be aligned, just in the center. If you are not fitted properly, you cannot align this, so make sure you need to fit that here completely in. So I just sprayed a bit of WD-40 and you can see it went completely inside. That's the max it can go. So it's fitted. The same one which I removed from the stock, I'm using it here, so no need to change anything. So this is done. See, look at the clamp, easily tightening up. That's it. So 2 are done. That's enough. This is a talk. I'll set the talk later. Just tightening up everything so that later I can set the talk. Okay, this is done. So need to fix this easily. Use the plier which I got. and it can be done easily. See, that's how easy it is. Check the tension. Okay, the springs are done. Now the last part, the main end can. Let's tighten this part, the header pipes. So for the end can, it's very easy, just slide it in. Problem is this heat shield protector, which I need to remove now. After that it will fit. Okay, the heat shield protector is removed. Just put this and this spring and you are done, all set for the team. Okay, so this spring is installed and this is installed already. This is the one which is holding the end can, this clamp. And there's one more thing I forgot to mention. This is the exhaust valve cable which I've removed previously and put the eliminator so that I don't have use of this exhaust valve cable. This also comes with the kit. This one, you need to put your exhaust cable in this and zip tied somewhere. This you can do, or remove it and put an exhaust valve eliminator plug, which I will show you, which I have installed in my bike. Okay, this is the exhaust valve eliminator I am using so that I don't need to use that. Yeah, this one. So you can use this or the exhaust valve eliminator, anything which works for you, because I'm already using this and that exhaust valve eliminator cable doesn't make sense. So it's all done finally. This one, and the clamp and this springs and this thing, these are the only thing which has been removed. And I removed the what is this, heat protection shield, so which I will be reinstalling later. Let me see how does this sound. Are you ready for it? Let's see how does this Termignoni sounds on the Ducati Multistrada 950. And time for that. Which we have sprayed. You can see this. So because of this WD-40 there is a bit of smoke, so just ignore this. That's nothing else apart from WD-40 getting burnt there due to the heat. Okay, now the Termignoni fitted just had a quick test ride. Let me show you how it sounds. Can you hear it? That's how it sounds. Crazy sound. Okay, that's it for this Termi exhaust installation video on the 950 Multistrada. See you in the next one. If you liked it, please share, subscribe and like, and also comment if there is anything. Let's see you on the another one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Enjoy.